Hello everyone, we are Team Shadow and we are excited to introduce our website. On the landing page, we feature two login forms, one for profile analysis and another for data and resource management. Additionally, we have included a language toggle button allowing users to switch between English and Kannada. One of the key features of our website is a chatbot that assists users in navigating and understanding its functionalities. Now, coming towards the working of profile analysis, initially we divided the entire dataset into yearly segments. By selecting a year from the drop down menu, users can target the dataset for that specific year and perform operations accordingly. This organization is implemented to illustrate the hierarchical structure of the police force. For example, if a DYSP logs in, their profile analysis will include a drop down menu displaying all PIs working under them. Here we are inputting data for a PSI to analyze their profile. Let's take a look. On the left side, you will find user information. By observing these statistics in four boxes, we can determine which police officer has more convicted and undetected cases, thus indicating their performance in solving cases. The area chart illustrates the number of cases the user received each month. The list presents the most recent cases assigned to the user. In this, we can see two pending trials, which is also visible on the notification button. The pie chart displays the top 3 crime group cases assigned to the user along with other types of cases. This allows us to determine which police officer is very good in handling specific types of crime groups. Additionally, a search feature allows officers to retrieve FIR details and a report button enables the download of real-time performance reports. Now that's all for performance analysis. Now let's explore the data and resource management section. Here we can add new data by completing all required fields. Additionally, we can update existing data by first searching for the FIR ID and then selecting the field that requires changes from the drop-down menu. That's all for now. We have a couple of tasks remaining, such as implementing real-time notifications to inform police officers about pending and undetected cases via their mobile numbers, which they can enable in their profile dashboard, and uploading the database for the remaining year. Thank you. Have a nice day.